Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate teamwork.com timesheets for accurate project hours. Quick to activate timesheets in teamwork.com, start by logging into your teamwork.com account. Once you're on your dashboard, navigate to the project you want to track hours for. Click on the project name to open the project details. On the project details page, find the Settings tab, usually located at the top of the screen. Click on the Settings tab to reveal more options. In the Settings menu, locate the Time Tracking section. Enable the time tracking feature by toggling the switch to the on position. Next, scroll down to the Timesheets section within the same menu. You may need to set up the visibility preferences for timesheets in this section. Choose whether to allow all team members to view timesheets or limit access to specific roles. After configuring the preferences, make sure to save your changes by clicking the Save button at the bottom. Now return to your project dashboard and look for the Time tab. Click on the Time tab to start logging hours. Enter the specific hours worked for each task you've completed. Be sure to include date entries for accurate tracking. If your project includes multiple tasks, repeat the entry process for each task. After you finish logging hours, review the entries for accuracy. Check that all details match your actual work hours, and make corrections if necessary. Once you're satisfied with the entries, you can generate reports by navigating to the Reports section in the main menu. From there, select the Time Tracking report to analyze your project's hours. Finally, regularly check and update your timesheet entries to maintain accuracy in your project reporting. This will help you gauge resources and manage your time effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.